What's going on, y'all? This is Anthony from Anthony Illustrates, and today we are going to be drawing some Naruto. Let me get mine. So today I'm going to walk you through how I approach drawing, especially when it comes to drawing like fan art, which is some of my favorite things to do in the entire world. If you go to my TikTok, which you'll find below, you'll see more of my drawings, and I'll also link my Instagram. Also, Naruto is one of the big three. Still, yeah, I said it. Still, we got new big three now, but you got One Piece, Bleach, Naruto. That's like the last generation big three. We got some new big three now. Demon Slayer, watch that. Fire Force, watch that. My Hero Academia, watch that. Y'all can dispute down below what y'all favorite three is of the season. Those are my three right now. But anyways, let's get into this. Grab you a sketchbook, grab you a notebook, pencil, iPad, whatever tool you need. One thing I like to say, draw at least 10, 15 minutes a day so that, keep up that practice and then you'll get nice. I'm still practicing. I still want to be, super nice with it. So we're all learning. That's what we're here to do. And let's have some fun. All right, so let's take this one step at a time. We're going to start off with a circle for the shape. We're going to put a line down the middle and put a line across. This line is where your eyes are going to be set up, right in that middle line. Go ahead and draw you some circles or some ovals, depending on whatever shape you like. We already got a Saitama. Shout out to people who know what I'm talking about. Eyebrows, I like to make them angry. I like intensity in my characters' faces for some reason. I mean, happiness is cool too, but I'm always happy, so I got to make my characters mad. Okay, with the mouth, you don't want to draw a complete line. Leave a little space in the middle. I'm going to tell you why later. Circles for the eyes. Then start adding details to your character with things that make them stand out. Everybody's going to have that standard circular shape for the face. Feel free to pause this if you need to. Now, the hidden leaf symbol is basically an upside down 7 and a 6. So if you would just remember that, then you can draw that headband anytime. Make sure you get 4 upside down triangles around the edges. Get your ears, C shapes. I usually like to put S's in my ears just because it's fun. You'll see that in a second. Go ahead and get you some W's for behind the ears, that back hair. There go the S's there. Again, everything is shapes. Top of the hair, we're just going to put a bunch of triangles going around in a circular shape. So remember that. Perfect. Dope. Now the nose, that diamond shape, put some upside down U's for the nostrils. Inside of the eyes, go ahead and get your reflection, your pupil. Dope. All right, make sure you get that headband. Perfect. Neck. We got our face. Make sure you do that bottom lip. It's just a line. And again, everything goes back to shapes, shape language. Circles, squares, triangles. Anyways, onto the eye. Get you an almond shape. Go ahead and darken the top and the side. Now, character's eyes gonna vary hugely based on the anime style, so keep an eye on the eyes. That was a bar. Keep an eye on the eyes. Eyebrows, again, straight line. Circles. If you want to practice doing circles better, just draw a couple circles every day. Doesn't have to be much. I mean, I definitely didn't do mad circles all the time. I just kept having to draw things that were circles. So you get better at it. I'm still learning how to draw that too. There goes our diamond. There goes our upside U's or V's. I added a little something extra to the side. Upside down 7. Get you a 6. The bottom's gonna be a little bit longer, and then the end of the 6 has a little whoop. That little whoop. 7 plus 6 equals. There you go. Quick math. In the words of Big Shaq. All right. Then let's go back to the mouth. So again, we don't want to draw the mouth as a straight line. It's kind of boring. Nobody really has a straight line for a mouth. You can break it up in the middle because that's where the mouth kind of meets, and then the edges of the mouth is where those darker lines are, where your lips meet at the edges. So that's where the shadows are darkest. So that's why you always see the edges a little bit darker. Okay, what we got next? Right. Smile, same thing, just twist it up a little bit instead of down. Get those edges a little bit darker. Perfect, we got an arrow. Dope. Appreciate y'all for stopping by. Had a lot of fun today sketching Naruto, learning how to work with some of those shapes. Again, remember, 10 minutes a day. Just draw something, sketch something you love, sketch something you like. Practice your circles, your lines. 10 minutes a day. That's what you need. I'm gonna go ahead and get my practice in right now. We got a dope drawing out of it. Might make this a print. Who knows what we'll do with that. Also, I'd like to recommend one book after every episode just to like help you as I help me help you help me. Oh, you know how it works. Bam. Today's book of the week is reversed. That's fine. Drawing the Head and Hands by Andrew Loomis. This book came out like 1920 something. It's a classic. But the reason why I like it so much is because it really helps break down like facial structure and how to set up, your drawings, and it really helps when it comes to all that, and especially hands. Hands are not the easiest thing to draw, but I'm saying it's gonna be easy to draw because you gotta break that mentality that is hard and difficult. Hands are easy. Let's use that. Thank y'all so much. I'll see you next week. Leave a comment below with what anime I should do next or what anime you're watching right now. Right now, I'm waiting for Demon Slayer to come back. It's fire. Fire Force. Waiting on that next episode to drop. But anyway, let me know. Anthony Illustrates. I will see you next time. Arigatou gozaimasu.